It is time. Yes, guys, Retro Django here, and it's time to review the Mandalorian 2021 Mandalorian Pinball Machine, the limited edition version from Stern. Let's make a quick review of this pinball machine. First of all, the art. I mean, everything about this is just beautiful. Looks amazing. No matter where you look, inside, outside, everything. So the art is just top notch. I love it. Second, music. The music, I mean, come on. It's just listen to this. The music is amazing. I love Star Wars. I love Mandalorian. And listening to this, it's so nice. But this is the limited edition, guys. This one has got Kenwood speaker system, and I'm telling you, I'm an audio guy. I love the audio in pinball machines. And this one's a subwoofer. The bass is so thick, it's so deep, it sounds crazy. Love it. So yeah, that's the first part. Second part is the call outs. Now it was cold weathers, and when I watched some clips on YouTube, it felt like he was shouting his call outs, and I was a bit concerned. I know it's just a pinball machine. Concerned, that's a wrong word to use, but I was thinking about, is Carl Weathers just shouting? But no, it sounds great. The callouts are all fine, so nothing to worry about there. Yeah. All right, so visually looks nice. Audio package, sound quality, amazing. Let's look at the shots, okay? This one to the left orbit.
I'll have something for you.
The
left
orbit is buttery smooth, man. And the child has got this magnet, and it will throw the ball. So, left orbit shot, I like it. It's smooth. Foundry here, easy shot.
Welcome to the foundry.
All right, take it easy. So yeah, Foundry, you can buy some different stuff.
You must choose.
And the first thing I actually buy is
Armor.
ejected. Yeah, armor.
Well done.
But I actually tend to buy heel over here, so we have a ball saver. So the next shot after that is this left ramp. Now, let me tell you something. This using the height. Let me see here. You can shoot it and you can get it up at the upper playfield, and that's fine. Let's just come on. Yeah. All right. Fine. That's the first thing. But when it's not, yeah, now it's on. But when it isn't on, then you will shoot that ramp and the ball will go into the back side and come out here. And I'm telling you, that's a satisfying shot. So this left ramp, it will go up, back here, and down here. Satisfying shot. I like it. But it's fine from the right flipper, right? From the right flipper, as you can see, shoots fine. But from the left flipper, when the ball comes back, you can shoot it with the left and sometimes get it up. But from a standing point, shooting that ramp, it's not possible with the left flipper. So the position of that left ramp irritates me. It should be more to the left. It's almost in the center. It's almost in the center of the play field, and it's really nice with the right flipper, but yeah, That irritates me, guys. The next shot, when you just panic and shoot, you will make this middle shot, right? That one. And you know what, guys? That middle shot, you will make it so many times, that one. Shooting in here, it's a feel-good shot, it's an easy shot, I like it. After that, you have this shot to the right over here, and that's not that one, this one. This ambush shot. So as you can see, it has got this ramp entrance so you can loop it up, but when that goes up again, then this shot that's just not a satisfying shot, guys. In no way. It will go out and hit this metal part, gives you this clunky feeling, but it is what it is. After that, we have got right ramp shot, this mini loop ramp here. I like it, it's fine. And after that, we have this right orbit shot that goes into the child stuff down there. This magnet and all of those rollover targets, they are just waste of everything. The upper playfield, when it's like in this position, it's alright, but when it's up, when it's lifted, then the ball time is not that long up there. The music was amazing, but listening to it for some time now, I'm fed up with it. I didn't think it was possible, but we need some more variation in the audio part. That could be great, guys. But other than that, the shaker in this one is nice. The shots are nice. We got the animations. I mean, first time I watched this, I was like, wow, man. And my son was impressed, and really, really nice. But after some time, sorry guys, let's just come through this multi-ball mode here. 2 seconds. Come on. We still have ball saver on.
There's one on the left ramp.
Yeah, come on. Oh, that's... No more, please stop.
There's one up the center ramp.
Yeah, okay. Nice. Okay. So, other part, we need some variation in the music. Animations was amazing in the beginning, but now I just press, left and right to skip that. So, we have great assets, guys. We have a lot of visual on the screen here, and we have got the music, we have got the call-outs. Everything is there, but there are no mysteries in this game. If you take a closer look here, the first part, it's totally empty, and then you have some shots in the middle, and this upper playfield is nothing for me, and all these rollover targets that give some different bonuses, and this magnet is just waste. So backside, waste. In the middle, great shots. Everything here looks and feels empty. It is what it is. I mean, it's a dream theme of mine. Of course, the stern black rubber is off, okay? Playfield protector installed, so the ball rolls over everything so nice. It has got premium rubber, so when you shoot, it feels so smooth. I hate when pinball machines has, just like this shot, goes out and a metal ball hits metal. Please designers, remove that. Remove all that metal shot. As you can see here, it will go out and hit this metal, bam! It doesn't sound good, it doesn't feel good. We want the ball to hit rubber every time. That's just what I love. One little design here.
Hey, player one, you're up.
Yeah. Up here, when the balls come down here, this post is a bit higher up, which means it will save the ball. The same over here, it will save the ball. So these left and right in lanes, really easy to save the ball. So my 10-year-old son, he said that this game had long ball times. And he's absolutely right. What? Why did it start a new game, man? I don't know, it's an early code, 0.97, 96, something like that. That's odd. Okay, it is what it is. So yeah, long ball times. So you will have fun with this. You will, you know, these 3 missions and that, and these 3 missions and that, and these 5s and that, and then this is the way. So simple. When you have the different missions, it will say, you know, hit the yellow target to hit the spiders, hit at the same mission, hit the blue targets to add some more time, or, you know, multiply a bonus or something like that. So the code is actually it's fine for a home setup. I think it's a fine purchase, but still no mystery. If you play, you know, Pirates of the Caribbean, you will shoot at the ramp over here, and it has got this upper flipper here, and there's a hole under, so the ball will fall down there and come up somewhere else. At the backside, it has some mystery to it.
Let's go!
You know, a ball lock or a scoop, something, you know, it's so barren. I mean, in real deal, it feels so, I don't know. I love the music, I love the theme. It just feels, yeah, here it feels super nice, but after that it feels so empty. This is a limited edition, and it's so expensive in Denmark. Look at this, guys. His gun here. Isn't it nice? I like it. Yeah, that's my review
Come
of
on,
the
Mando, what are you waiting for?
Mandalorian limited edition. It's a stir machine. It shoots amazing. I think all stir machines do that, but yeah, I'm not over excited. I'm just, yeah, I said what I wanted to say. So let's just start a game here. Yeah. This is the music, man. It's so nice. Really love the music. You will have that middle shot a lot of times when you play.
I don't like this.
Yeah, me neither. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, that's a beautiful ramp shot. I like it. But the other one over there, I can't. There we go. Yeah. That's it, guys. If you like this, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just give it a thumbs down. Have a great day out there, guys. Oh, let's just start that little start encounters. On your left side, holding the camera with the right. Come on, man. these movie clips. Yeah, I couldn't flip the other side. Yeah. A rating from 1 to 10. Yeah, early cold, but 6.5. Yeah. Yeah, 6.5. Yeah.
See you next time, Mando.
I feel like this. I feel Turtles is a better game. Have a great day out there, guys. Retro Django out.